What is Puritanism?
Puritanism was a religious movement that started in England in the 16th and 17th centuries. It was a group of Christians who believed that the Church of England was still too similar to the Catholic Church, and they wanted to purify it. That's why they were called Puritans.
Puritans believed in simple living and strict moral rules, hard work and discipline, avoiding luxury, entertainment, and pleasure, deep focus on the Bible and prayer. They believed that life should be serious, controlled, and devoted to God. Later, many Puritans moved to America, where they influenced early American society and culture. In short, Puritanism was about living a very strict, simple, and religious life focused on God above everything else.
Follow for more videos.